this. If so, all we need to do is locate the HDMI port and then unplug it. Count to 10 seconds. After unplugging, shoot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then all we have to do is to plug it back in, and that should fix it. Just turn on your monitor by pressing the power button. Locate the power button. Sometimes these monitors these days have those really touch sensitive buttons, and now you're back to normal. Now, if that doesn't fix it, maybe what should is repeating the process, and if that doesn't help, then do the same but with the cord in the back of your monitor. Think it's equivalent, but you never know. So, whenever that happens to me, it's usually on the computer, and I haven't had to unplug it from the back of the monitor. But you should try at least the computer twice and then the monitor, and try that twice as well. And if that doesn't work, then that's time for Google, Apple Communities, phone technician, advanced IT technician time. But hopefully, Apple Communities is my usual gig. And you should also try doing like a screen recording to see if, like, when it's back to normal, if it shows up that way or not. And love, like, and subscribe, and share this with your friends if this is useful, and comment down below what you guys have had, if you guys have had similar problems. Bye!